guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to DIY Art Blast. So today I'm gonna show you how I make my stickers, magnet, and I am gonna use my Cricut Maker and also my iPad and Cricut Space Design. And I'm gonna show you how I make that to sell on my Etsy shop, my online other shop. So let's start. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up. Okay, so let's start. Again, I'm gonna use my iPad here. So I already signed in to my Cricut Design Space. It's right here. So I opened that. Now I'm gonna show you. I know that there are so many videos for how to use a computer and use this design space, but I'm going to show you how I use my iPad, and just all you need is your iPad. Okay, so I already connected my Cricut Maker to my iPad. Okay, so I'm just going to create a new canvas. So I'm going to click on this plus sign. I already have the project going on, so I just replaced that. Okay, so now here is my canvas. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload an image. So what I do is, here is my Procreate app. I just make all the design, all the stickers, and what I do is make sure there is no background on. So here's the background color. I'm just gonna turn that off, and I save this image as PNG file, and I'm just gonna save it to my image. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is open my design space again, and here I'm gonna upload and click on select from photo library, and here's my design that I just saved. So I'm gonna click on that, and here is your design. This is how it looks like. Now I'm just gonna click on apply. Make sure you select print and cut and name it, and then click on upload. Okay, and it's gonna be there. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is upload add another image, because I don't want to print that. I already have enough of that. So what I'm gonna do is now upload, and I'm just gonna open uploaded images because I already saved some images here. So let me show you what image I'm gonna pick. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this design right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna click on add. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is click on this image, and I can resize this. I usually make my stickers about like 3 inches, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna bring it all the way to the corner, clicking right here, add it, and you can just add a size here. I'm just gonna erase everything and then click on just 3, and here is nice and 3 inch. Okay, so now I'm gonna create multiple. So to do that, I'm just gonna click on my image again, and then go to action and click on duplicate. Might take a little time, but okay, there you go. Okay, I'm just gonna put it next to that, just gonna leave a little space between. So I'm just gonna keep making a little more stickers, so I can add more stickers here and cover my whole mat. Okay, so now what I like to do is select all, and to do that I'm just gonna click here and select all like that. So again, you can double tap, select all, or you can just one tap. You just have to be a little quicker. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make this slightly little smaller. So what I'm gonna do is click on edit, and I'm gonna choose the width 6.75. okay, so now I like to pick this width because if you make it bigger, it's not gonna print on the paper. I don't know if you use this before or not, but I always pick 6.75. okay, so now I'm just gonna pick again all, and I'm gonna click on duplicate here. Okay, I'm just gonna again just I'm gonna pick all, duplicate, and I'm gonna put it next to, close to here. Okay, that's better. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick all again and just make sure that the size of this whole paper is between 6.75 width and 9.25. Okay, so my height is good, my width is still kind of a little off, so I'm just gonna come right here and fix that. 75. That looks good. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick all sticker one more time, and what I'm gonna do is click on this attach. So now what this is gonna do is print on one paper instead of, you know, printing on multiple papers. And now I'm just gonna click on make it. Okay, so it's right here. Sometimes it doesn't show the whole image, so I'm just gonna click on print. Okay, and then I'm just gonna select my printer, which is Epson 3760, and make sure it's if it's color image, make sure you select the color. If it's black and white, you can select the black and white. I'm just gonna select black and white. Okay, and make sure it's a letter size paper, and then I'm just gonna hit print. Now before I do the hit print, let me show you what sticker paper I'm using. So I'm using this sticker paper right here. It's actually from Cola Paper, and I don't know if I'm saying it right or not, but it's inject vinyl sticker paper I'm using, and it's matte. So I already take one out, but it looks like this right here. So I'm gonna load this paper on my printer and let me print that very quickly. Okay, so again, just click on print and I'll be back. Okay, so here it is. It's nice and done. I have some line going on here because I think I have some fault in my design. So now I also print on the glossy paper. So here it is. It's inject vinyl sticker paper again. This one is glossier. So I also print the glossy paper. I mean glossy sticker. I mean sticker on a glossy paper. So again, I also have a little fault in my design, but that's okay because my Cricut really gonna cut is really perfectly. I don't know somehow why. So let me show you how I cut my stickers. So what I'm gonna do is here I'm all done with printing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on next. Now what I'm gonna do here is I already printed this. Now I'm gonna select the material of the paper. So I already created this sticker paper by myself. I mean how deep I want to cut. So you can check out my other sticker paper. I'm not sure if I can show you here on this iPad. I never tried that because I set up this kind of setting on my computer. I'm pretty sure you can do this, but okay, then I'm just gonna select on my sticker paper here, and then we are all done. Now we can go to our Cricut Maker and cut that. But before that, I'm gonna put my paper on my mat. So okay, all right, so let's go to our Cricut Maker and cut this. As you can see, this light is already blinking, so it's ready to cut. So let me load this very quickly here, and it's gonna start cutting. And make sure you have enough space in the back of your Cricut because this mat is gonna go out back here. So, you know, you have a little space back there. Okay, so while this one is cutting, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on making magnet. And I already created another design for the magnet, and this is what I'm gonna be using. So I already have this one out here. So there is a magnet here and you can print here. So let me go and print this one, and I'm also gonna cut this, but with just my hand. Okay, so let me do that very quickly. I'm gonna print this. Okay, this one is done. I'm just gonna click on this right here, and I'm gonna catch my mat. So here it is, nice and cut. So let's remove this extra stuff around. Oh, I'm just gonna remove my paper. My favorite part. Just kidding. Okay, so here it is, nice and cut. I know it's kind of little off, but I maybe have to, you know, change a little setting, but I think this looks good. So I'm just gonna peel this off. Okay, all right, so now here I'm all done with all of the stickers. Now let's see if I can add the sticker somewhere, maybe. Okay, so when you are printing on this magnetic paper, make sure the printing side is down and the black side is up. And let's print this. So again, here's my design. I'm gonna print, and I'm just gonna click on print, and it's gonna print. Okay, so here is my design here on my magnetic paper. So yeah, what do you think? I think I like this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use my scissor because it's, you know, it's very simple design. I don't want to use my Cricut. So let me do this. Okay, so here I'm all done cutting this. Now, what do you think? I sell all my handmade materials on my Etsy shop, and also other shop that I'm kind of still working. But yeah, here I'm all done with all of these stickers and my magnet. But yeah, here I'm all done. Let me know what you think about this sticker. Now, again, you can check out my other video on how I pack this, and let me know if you have any other question. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed, and make sure you check out the link of this material on the description. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.